to mop and vacuum at the same time? Well, let's look at this product. Hey everybody, welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Anley, and today we're going to be looking at the iLIFE V3x Robot Mop and Vacuum combo. As you know, in each episode we do a full unboxing and review, so let's get into it.
Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be looking at this iLIFE robot vacuum right here. This robotic vacuum looks like it's going to be awesome. It's for mopping and for vacuuming. It's perfect for pets. But as you know, in every episode we do an unboxing, so let's get into it. So one of the first things we see is the warranty and what looks to be like some information on the warranty. I believe this is the user manual, so all the information you're going to need to set up the app and just, how to use the product itself. We have the corner bristles right here. It looks like everything you need for the device to kind of get into the corners and crevices, as well as the mop pad right here, which you will attach to the bottom of your robotic vacuum. This is our wall cable right here to charge your home device. Very nice. Looks like we have a filter as well, so very cool that it comes with this. A cleaning bristle right here, just everything you need to kind of get all the dirt and grime when it's done a really good cleaning. And it looks like our home device right here. This is what we'll plug up to the wall and allow the robot vacuum to drive up on it and begin charging. This is your home base. And finally, the vacuum itself, so let's get it unpackaged. Very nice. One of the first things I noticed is it comes with the mount pad, so you actually get an additional one. And it looks like it comes with the corner bristles as well, so that means it comes with extra ones of that too. The device itself feels really nice. It's really clean. It's a sleek white color right here. Looks like you got your mop pad tray right here to fill up with water, and also probably we'll get some garbage in there that we'll get to dump out. Got your LiDAR systems on the front, and everything looks great, iLIFE, so let's put it to use.
Sweeping and mopping can be done at the same time, and there is no need to replace the water tank and dust mop. Powerful vacuuming robot for pet hair, the tangle-free suction passage can easily pick up dirt, dust, hair, and fur without tangling. Pets shedding and too busy to clean up after them? Your dogs and cats can shed anytime and leave a mess on the floor. It's an ongoing cleaning task which requires a pet-friendly helper. Powerful suction and airway filtering. The powerful suction passage can easily pick up dirt, dust, hair, and fur without tangling. Thanks to the airway technology, the double high-performance filters separate dirt from debris effectively, reducing clogging and maintaining a powerful suction for a longer time. Airway also releases fresh air to eliminate odors. When the machine cleans the carpet, it will automatically pressurize to 3000 PA. Just one click, the mission is on. Press the clean button or set a weekly cleaning schedule and the V3x Pro will start cleaning at the scheduled time. Multiple cleaning modes satisfy your cleaning needs. V3x Pro has different cleaning modes, edge, auto, spot, and schedule to meet your cleaning needs. Sweeping and mopping can be done at the same time. A 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo can pick up floating dust and mop up stubborn stains for a thorough clean. Various vacuuming and mopping modes are available to meet your daily cleaning needs. Auto dock and recharge. When the battery runs low, V3s Pro automatically returns its charging dock for recharge, 150 minutes long run time. The V3X is an upgrade based on the V3s Pro. Wow, iLIFE, thanks to you, I now have a robotic maid. We'd like to give a huge shout out to iLIFE for sponsoring this video. All of the links will be down below in the description. I've been today's host, Anley. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!